Charlie Munger has some discouraging news for young folks with dreams of getting rich. He says it's going to be tougher for the current generation to achieve wealth because there are more people trying to do the same. Munger, who's Warren Buffett's partner and the 99-year-old vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, shared these thoughts during a recent Zoomtopia event, as reported on Zoom's blog. But here's the twist. Munger didn't just bring gloomy forecasts. He also offered some wise advice based on the habits that have led to his own success. He says, "It took me a long time to get ahead. Looking back, I'm glad it was such an interesting journey. According to Munger, the key is to keep improving yourself. Otherwise, you'll fall behind." His recipe for success is simple. Try harder, work harder, spend less than you earn, and invest your savings wisely. The closing speech by Munger at the Zoom annual conference was a hidden gem. Exclusively shared behind the scene, we spoke to 6 lucky attendees, and they told us Munger had some strong opinions on crypto, cautioned against getting carried away with the hype around AI, and even dished out thoughts on poker, donuts, and the importance of staying close to your loved ones. The wise old investor has emphasized that the path to success is now more challenging compared to earlier times. He made this clear during the Daily Journal's shareholder meeting last year, saying, "For those graduating from college today, it's going to be way tougher for them to achieve and maintain wealth than it was for my generation." Munger pinpointed the significantly higher costs of purchasing a house in a desirable city like Los Angeles, and the likelihood that a diverse stock portfolio may yield slimmer returns in the coming years compared to his own lifetime. During this year's Daily Journal meeting, he highlighted 3 major hurdles for investors: steeper company valuations, increased government skepticism towards business, and the possibility of higher taxes. At Berkshire's shareholder meeting in May, Buffett's trusted partner reiterated his stance. "I believe value investors will face a tougher time now that there's a larger pool of them vying for fewer opportunities," he stated. "So, my advice to value investors is to adapt to earning less." Buffett, on the other hand, offered a glimmer of hope to young aspiring investors. He proposed that by taking a long-term perspective, seeking opportunities beyond the usual, and capitalizing on others' less wise decisions, one can still find a path to success.